Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 3rd, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. Trader Bob told you yesterday the Dow Jones Industrial Average was going to crash. Just goes to show, don't pay any attention to Trader Bob. Trader Bob is one heck of a good systems trader, but I really should stick to trading system and not trying to predict markets because I was dead wrong. I had a good jobs report come out this morning, and it really buoyed up the market. And Dow gained 208 points. Really great rally. I mean, that's a good rally by anybody's estimation. And so, you know, we had an okay day. The problem is we seem to still be haunted by these stock devils that just don't want to leave this marketplace for us. And you know, the good news is we had some really great trades. The bad news is we had some bad ones. Like, for example, we were into Walter Energy, and it was, I think it was like $18,000 loss on the close yesterday, and then coming into this morning it's about negative 2,200, and I wish I could have just dumped it, but you know, the trader system, stick with it. By the time we got out of Walter Energy, it was negative $6,000. Anytime you have negative $6,000 in one stock, that's hard to overcome, and we did overcome it, but well, for example, in Media General, we have almost $7,000 in open trade equity in that. So you know, at least we had some good trades to offset that. But bad one in Walter Energy, and we had bad ones in CCIC or CCIH and DL. And one other that, anyway, these bad trades just kind of made it difficult for us today. Anyway, we did close out positive $2,400 in what we closed out, and in spite of that bad trade in Walter Energy, and we're carrying $826 in open trade equity. You know, normally that sounds like just a dull day. It wasn't a dull day. One of those open trades that we're carrying is nearly $7,000. But anyway, that's the way it went. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and I'm just looking all the way back here to the Twin Peaks, what I call those cat ears, where we made new all-time highs, and then we had this massive sell-off that really finally cut through all my 4 lines of resistance there. Came down and climaxed yesterday about midday, and then it jumped out of there, and that buying certainly continued this morning with the Dow gaining over 200 points. So right now we're a little less than halfway to getting back to Twin Peaks, I guess, but I don't know. I'm not comfortable with seeing this market once again in these stuck in these red lines. I just don't know how it's going to get through all that, but we'll just have to see. I was disappointed today, even though we made some money, because I almost feel like we wasted this beautiful 208 point rally out of the coming off this low, but we'll just have to see. I will show you a couple great trades we had, because we did have great trades today. This first one is an auto butyl, and I showed you this yesterday. We'd gotten into this about midday, and we closed with about $1,000 yesterday, but man, this thing just took off this morning. Where we got out of there, which is pretty close to the high, we took out over $4,000 in auto butyl. So that was just a great trade. I'll show you another one here that we are still in, and this is, hey, you know, this is like the old stuff. This is how, you know, Trader Bob's supposed to make money. This is how the system's supposed to do it. We got into Media General yesterday, and there's absolutely nothing to talk about on the close. I think that's basically about where we got in, where it closed yesterday. This thing just jumped up this morning and kept screaming all the way, and we are holding almost $7,000 in Media General. And you know, what's sad about this is this great trade, but then we get socked in Walter Energy for negative $6,000, which is basically canceling out almost all of this beautiful trade. But anyway, we're out of Walter Energy and we're still are holding Media General. So anyway, it still was a good way to end the week, and I will hope for better performance on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. This is Trader Bob signing off.